Bullish Dogecoin, Doge, cost expectations range somewhere in the range of $0.269730 and $0.587413 by 2030. Market investigators expect Doge could reach $0.269730 by 2025. Bearish Dogecoin market cost expectation for 2022 is $0.047952. Dogecoin, Doge, presentation. Programming engineers Billy Marcus and Jackson Palmer concocted the thought for Dogecoin, otherwise called Doge, as a joke because of the then uncontrolled cryptographic money hypothesis. It is viewed as the first image coin and the first canine coin, all the more explicitly. Notwithstanding being wry, certain individuals view it as a feasible monetary open door. The Shiba Inu canine's face from the Doge image fills in as Dogecoin's sealant namesake. Following its send-off on December 6, 2013, it quickly settled its web-based local area and, by May 5, 2021, had a market capitalization of more than $85 billion. It currently fills in as Watford's only sleeve support in the head association. If it's not too much trouble, note that the expectations recorded underneath are planned to give general data and ought not be viewed as speculation guidance. We suggest talking with experts first prior to making any Dogecoin speculations. Anyway, we should jump into this blog entry to find out more, will we? What is Dogecoin, Doge? Shared, open-source digital money Dogecoin, Doge, works over the web. It is viewed as an elective money and an unexpected image coin. An outline of a Shiba Inu canine fills in as Dogecoin's logo, which was presented in December 2013. Despite the fact that it was at first imagined as a joke, Dogecoin has filled in notoriety. At the point when the cryptographic money bubble burst in late 2017, it drove a few coins' qualities a lot higher. One center of allies actually exchanged Dogecoin and use it to tip for content on Twitter and Reddit despite the fact that it lost quite a bit of its worth after the air pocket burst in 2018. On web-based trades for computerized monetary standards, clients can buy and sell Dogecoin. Moreover, they can choose whether to keep their Dogecoin in a wallet or on a trade. Since there is a cap on the complete number of coins that might be given, cryptographic forms of money like Bitcoin are deflationary, yet Dogecoin is an inflationary coin. This is on the grounds that the quantity of Bitcoins delivered into courses mining rewards is split at regular intervals, and until all coins are given, so is the expansion rate. Dogecoin, basic examination. It's memorables basic that not at all like in that frame of mind of the financial exchange. Most digital currencies are projects as opposed to organizations. Hence, you can assess regardless of whether a digital currency is worth the effort by leading a fitting basic examination and taking into account all the data accessible about the undertaking. Principal examination is worried about deciding the resource's inherent worth. For instance, you can decide whether a digital money is exaggerated or underestimated by thinking about different inner and outer components. For Dogecoin, there are various incentives. The way that it isn't covered makes the incentive increment. The benefits of supporting the organization are recognized all through the entire mining biological system. There is currently no rush toward an affirmed hard cap. This settles the organization's possibilities for what's in store. Therefore, Dogecoin's worth can rise, further guaranteeing environment extension. In spite of the fact that its commencement was set apart by craftsmen and content makers tipping each other, it has developed into a completely practical cash that can be utilized for regular consumptions. To keep up with the usefulness of the environment, more Dogecoin can undoubtedly be procured. Dogecoin use is anticipated to grow by over 5% every year, which will expand the money's worth. Dogecoin, current value Dogecoin is right now worth $0.059940 Doge has moved minus 5.12% as of now with an exchanging volume of $344,628,469. Dogecoin is at present position 10 among all cryptographic forms of money with a market capitalization of $7,869,525,457 Dogecoin, DOGE, Value Forecast 2022. Dogecoin, from certain perspectives, is one of the most astounding digital forms of money to rise this year, DOGE. The Doge cost gauge for 2022 expects a huge expansion in the year's last part, conceivably coming to $0.089910. Similarly as with other digital forms of money, the ascent will be slow, however no extensive drops are normal. Averaging $0.083916 in cost is very aggressive, however it is attainable sooner rather than later given expected coordinated efforts and headways. Doge is supposed to have a base worth of $0.071928. Dogecoin, DOGE, Value Forecast 2023. In 2023, Dogecoin Doge cost expectation has a lot of space for development. Because of the expected declarations of various new associations and drives, we guess that the cost of Doge will before long outperform $0.149850. In any case, we ought to hold on to check whether the Doge's general strength record emerges from the oversold zone prior to putting down any bullish wagers. Taking into account the market unpredictability, Doge will exchange with a base exchanging cost of $0.119880 and a typical exchanging cost of $0.131868. Dogecoin, DOGE, Value Forecast 2024. On the off chance that the vertical pattern go on until 2024, it could reach $0.209790 and Doge might benefit. In the event that the market encounters a decay, the objective may not be met. Doge is supposed to exchange at a typical cost of $0.191808 and a low of $0.179820 in 2024. Dogecoin, DOGE, Value Expectation 2025. Assuming Dogecoin effectively helps market opinion among digital currency devotees, the Dogecoin cost could stay stable for the following 5 years. As per our projections, Doge will be green in 2025. The Doge is supposed to reach and outperform its unequaled high in 2025. In 2025, the virtual money will be valued at $0.269730, with a base cost of $0.239760 and a typical cost of $0.251748. Dogecoin, DOGE, Value Expectation 2026. After some broad determining and specialized examination, we gauge the Doge cost is supposed to cross a normal value level of 0.3